Hey guys, so I wanted to show you a quick package that I got through Younique. I'm so excited to show you all, especially because Younique is going through a massive sale on all of our eyeshadows, our liquid eyeshadows, our eyeliners, our mascara, everything. And I stocked up on liquid shadows, and then I'm excited to show you all and also give you a quick swatch. So first things first, I did get their new liquid liner that just rolled out. It is in the shade Perfect. It's actually a really easy way to be able to put your liquid liner on. It just is seriously pointed and it looks really good on. I'm excited to give this a try because I'm not a big fan of liquid liners. All right, the next thing is also our liquid shadows. I'm going to show you all the swatches. So here are all the liquid shadows that I have gotten, which is in shade Egotistical, Agreeable, which right here, Overt, right there, Rambunctious, which is that blue shade, Exalted, right there, right underneath that blue, Willed, Businesslike, and Authentic right here. So these are all on sale. You can buy one or two to save 15%. If you buy 3 or more, you can save 20%. So it is a lot of good savings. If you guys have any questions about anything, just let me know. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys.